Today, we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, the latest addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup. Let's see if this phone lives up to the hype. The A55 marks a significant departure from its predecessors, sporting a premium aluminum frame with a brushed metallic finish and a stunning glass front and back. Reminiscent of Samsung's flagship phones, it features a flat 6.6-inch OLED screen and seamlessly integrated cameras on the back. While the bezels around the screen are slightly thicker compared to some competitors, they remain relatively thin overall. The panel offers a maximum brightness of 1000 nits and delivers smooth animations, although it lacks the flexibility of higher-end panels with LTPO technology. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 is powered by Samsung's new Exynos 1480 mid-range SoC, providing adequate performance for everyday tasks. It's got a sizable 5000 mAh battery, but the maximum charging speed tops out at 25 watts. Other features like the in-display fingerprint scanner and stereo speakers are solid, though the haptics could use some improvement. The Galaxy A55 impresses with its sturdy build quality and brushed aluminum frame, adding a touch of sophistication. It feels great in the hand, and the slight bump on the side housing the volume rocker and power button adds a nice touch of character to the design. Weighing 213 grams and featuring a 6.6-inch screen, it feels comfortable to hold, making it ideal for users who appreciate larger screens. On the software side, the A55 runs on Samsung's One UI, offering customization and multitasking features like split screen and floating window mode. And let's not forget about Samsung Knox Vault, a hardware security chip for storing sensitive data, now available in the A55. Your sensitive data is securely stored, providing peace of mind. Now let's talk cameras. Despite the advertised triple lens setup, the A55 actually features a dual lens system, with the third lens being a 5-megapixel macro sensor that some might find unnecessary. However, the main 50-megapixel shooter and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens deliver solid performance, with Samsung's processing ensuring good HDR and image quality. So should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A55? Well, if you're looking for a premium-looking Samsung phone at a more affordable price compared to the flagship Galaxy S series, or if you prioritize security with Knox Vault, then the A55 might be the right choice for you. But if you're someone who really wants the best specs for your budget, or you absolutely need a telephoto lens, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, the Galaxy A55 represents a significant improvement in Samsung's mid-range lineup. It offers a premium build and satisfactory performance without compromising essential features, making it a worthy successor to previous Galaxy phones. While there are still some compromises, they're unlikely to bother casual users. But hey, those are just my thoughts. What do you think of the Samsung Galaxy A55? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, peace out.